After turning off the vehicle, move the wiper switch to the single wiping mist position, and then within 20 seconds, hold the switch for more than 2 seconds, and it's going to move it up to the service position. So this is the driver's side. Then you can take off the windshield wiper, flip open that cap, and pull down, and that removes the windshield wiper. This side is 26 inches. So on the new one, open up the cap from the top. Put the hook inside of the wiper and pull up and then close. And it should snap on. Now on the passenger side, this is an 18-inch. Pinch the top. Open it up and slide it down. Remove the old wiper. Take the new wiper, open up the cap from the top. Now put the hook in the inside of the cap and slide it up, and then press the cap. And your 18-inch are ready to go. And this is in the service position as well. In the rear, you're just going to bend it backwards. So just bend it backwards, and it should just slide right off. And this size is 11 inches. So find the hook, and from the top, you can snap it back on, put it back on your windshield, and you're ready to go. I'll leave the links in the description below.